Hi there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Clara Zila and I do videos on luxury and fashion items. So today I have another unboxing, and as you can see from the title of the YouTube video, these are Chanel sneakers from the Chanel 20C collection. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing now. Happy to share with you, these are the sneakers from the Chanel 20C collection. This is the front, this is the side, the back. You can see that it has the Chanel subtly imprinted there. And this is the side with the CC logos, and it's got the white piping and it has the quilted soles here. And this is slightly concave. I don't know if that's showing properly. And these are the bottom of the shoes. They are in a quilt design also. And there is a small CC logo right here. I got these shoes from the 20C collection. These were very hard to get. They came in black and white. They also have a version where they have cutouts here in black. And some people like those because of the cutouts, you can see the color of your socks inside, so you can match them with different clothes. However, I prefer this plain white aesthetic. Another difference between this one and the one with the cutout is that it has more black piping along here, along the sides. So if you like something with a bit more detailed, and it is has a lot more layers of details, then that one may suit you more. And I believe they're still available at the Chanel shop. These also came in the black without the cutouts and also with the cutouts. So the difference between those again are that they have black cutouts so that you can show the color of your socks if you are really into that. However, I prefer them in black, just plain black. So I actually wanted to also try these in the plain black because I feel that black won't get dirty as easily. However, by the time that I was able to get my hands on these, I was only able to get these in the white. They had them in the cutout version, but I do prefer the plain version. And hence this is why I got this pair, and I'm looking forward to wearing these with several outfits. I believe this should go with many outfits, and it's very Chanel. There were a few Instagram friends who told me these shoes were extremely comfortable, so I'm looking forward to wearing these. And I do know from the Chanel SA that they will still carry several more colors of this running shoe. So I've seen beige come out, and I believe there are some other colors that will be coming out for this season, including another pair that I saw in a navy blue. It was quite nice. It was kind of a layered, kind of a navy blue color. I could see that also going with a lot of different outfits. So these are my Chanel 20C sneakers that I have unboxed. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again sometime soon. Have a great day. Bye!